Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the measures to increase agricultural productivity. First, what is the production? Production means it is a ratio of input to output. Simply, production means creation of the utility. The agriculture productivity is measured as the ratio of agriculture output to the agricultural inputs. Means productivity simply means production per unit area. While the individual products are usually measured by weight, their varying densities make measuring overs. The how to increase the agriculture productivity. Agriculture production is very important to the nation for the it is important source of the livelihoods, for the source of the generating the employments. It is an important role of the agriculture in national economy. It is, then how the need to increase the agriculture productivity. First one is the transportation facility. In this transportation facility, to the facilitate the farmers to produce new farm inputs and enable them to sell their products in markets, villages should be linked with mandis. Means the improvement the transportation facility to farmers to improving the agriculture productivity. Then the irrigation facility means the crop production depends not only the quality of inputs but also on the irrigation facilities, like canals, tube wells should be constructed to provide better irrigation facilities for the security of crops. The extensive flood control measures should be adopted to prevent the devastation caused by floods. Then next is the institutional credits. To save the farmers from the clutches of money lenders, adequate credit facility should be made available at reasonable cheap rates in the rural area. It is an important factor, important to increase the agricultural productivity. Then the proper marketing facility. In marketing infrastructure should be widened and strengthened to help the farmers to sell their product at better prices. There should be a proper arrangement for unloading of the produce in the markets. Next one is the supply of the quality inputs. The farmers in the country should be supplied with quality inputs at proper times and at control prices. Means to protect the farmers for exploitations, effective steps are needed to be taken to check the sales of adulterated fertilizer. Next one is the consolidation of holding. Simply consolidation means it is a bringing of fragmented plot into a big plot. In various states, consolidation of holding is not satisfactory because the effort should be made towards completing the consolidation works in the specific period of time. Big areas of lands which are lying waste can be reclaimed and made fit for its cultivations. Next is the agriculture education, which is most important to increase the agricultural productivity. Means in a bid to guide and advise the farmers regarding the adoption of new technologies, arrangement should be made in for agriculture education and extension services. It would assist the farmers to take proper crop care leading to increase in crop productivity. Next one is the reduction of population on lands. Means as we know that in our country the majority of population depends on the agriculture to earn their both ends meets. This increases the pressure of the population on land, which leads to subdivision and fragmentations of land holding. Then the provision of the better manure seeds means the farmer should made familiar with the advantages of chemical fertilizer through exhibitions, and these inputs should be made easily available through cooperative society and panchayat. Then land reforms. It is important to increase production. It is also suggested that the effort should be made plug the loopholes in the existing land legislation so that the surplus land be distributed among the small and marginal farmers. Then cooperative farming is important to the increasing the agriculture production means to check the subdivision and fragmentation of holdings. The movement of cooperative farming should be launched. The cooperative farming would result in the adoption of modern technology on so-called big farms. In this way, the agriculture will become profitable occupation through economies of large-scale farmings. Then last, the development of cottage and small-scale industries. In the rural areas, more emphasis should be made to set up cottage and small-scale industries. This will raise the income of the peasants and keep them busy during off season. These are the measurement of the improve the or increase the agriculture productivity. Uh, Thank you.